into it, I'm gonna take this size pot that I would typically boil pasta in, place the oven on a medium heat. I repeat, medium heat. You do not want to burn the gel. Then I'm going to add 4 cups of water. It's important to use this good amount of water or more if you'd like. If not, you will not be able to get that horrible consistency that you need to create and separate the gel from the seeds. The ratio I use for my flaxseed gel is 4 cups of water to 1 cup of flaxseed. Before the water gets to its boil point, I do like to go ahead and add my flax seeds. I typically would add a few more ingredients to my flaxseed gel. However, I'm just wanting this video to be the basics to get you going, get you started. If you do keep up with my channel, you'll see those times that I use different ingredients and why I'm using them. So if you're not already subscribed, get subscribed. Once it does reach that boiling point, I then set my timer for 4 minutes, but only at the first boil. For this next step, I'm going to take just a bowl and a little mini strainer. And I'm gonna pour that flaxseed gel through that strainer, and you want to do this ASAP. Like, it needs to still be boiling hot. That way you get that pour consistency I was speaking of earlier. Because I'm using such a small strainer, it took a bit of time. I kept having to shake it to get the seeds out of the way and pour them out, pour it back in. So I lost a lot of that heat, and it's starting to really become a gel, which makes it super difficult to pour. So if you do want to use like a cheesecloth or a bigger strainer, just do. It'll make your life a bit easier than I made mine, but it still works, so we're fine. We move. Just take a look at this. This is what I mean. It really turns into a gel. I love this stuff. You want to let the gel sit for a few minutes now that you've strained it, just so it can cool a bit until you put it in your choice of applicator. I like to use this one with the combs that I just got from my local beauty supply store. It just makes applying the gel to your hair and scalp so much easier. So I absolutely adore these combed applicators. Every single time I make this, I say I'm gonna get a funnel, and then I don't. So here I am going slow and steady, but it works out, and here we have it. It's all set and ready for use. And with that, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that your hair is just flourishing once you use this, like I know it will. So happy we got to do this together, but I need to go wash my hair immediately. I'm too ready to get this in my hair. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed, and if you are going to use this, go ahead and like this video. Laters, lens friend.